Hello everyone, today we are going to study chapter number 13 of class 7th, All the Worlds Are Stage. So everyone, in this one poem, the poet William Shakespeare tells about how human life changes into the 7 stages of life. As life continues from one to another event, and we should do our best and face life with firmness. So everyone, now we are going to start this poem. All the world stage and a man and women are merely prayers. So everyone, here William Shakespeare is saying that world means the in which human live, that William Shakespeare has considered as a stage. And here all men and women are players, means are their characters who plays their role according to their life. They have their exit and their entrance. Exit means everyone death and entrance means birth. Means we all human take birth in one day and we are to die in one day. And one man in his play time plays many parts. His act being 7 stages means, and every human, everyone, God has decided which part they are to play. And here William Shakespeare had divided human life into these 7 stages. First, now means one by one, William Shakespeare has described all these 7 stages. First, the infant, mewing and pucking in the nurse's arm. So everyone, here the poet William Shakespeare is saying that means the first stage of human is like an infant, as we human take birth as an infant, and we infant used to cry and used to making a loud noise in the nurse arm. So this is the first stage or first episode of the human life as an infant, where he did not know anything, only he just cry a lot in the nurse arm. Then winning schoolboy with his catchel and shining morning face, creeping like a snail, unwilling to go school. Everyone, now second stage is winning schoolboy, means the schoolboy who is unwilling to go school. Okay, and he just pull the shoulder of his father or mother for going to school, and he just creep like a snail as he does not want to go school. As everyone, the small means, as you were kid, you will also understand this. We human did not want to go school by leaving our parents. Like a snail we used to creep. But that William Shakespeare had divided this second stage of a human life. Now everyone, then third, the lover, shining like furnace, means third stage of lover, means as a youth, okay, with a woeful ballad made his mistress eyebrow. So everyone, third, the William Shakespeare describe as a lover, means as a youth, where the lover used to be full of passion, means full of zeal for doing anything, and he used to, means life works like a poem, and he can do anything in being proud in his lover's eye. Okay, so third stage is of lover. Then a soldier full of strange oath, beard like a part, jealous in honor, sudden in a quick careless, seeing the bubble reputation. So everyone, fourth stage which William Shakespeare had described, that is a soldier, where means as soldier as used to do his duty anyhow. So same, the person used to have beard in this time like a leopard. Part means leopard, okay, where the person used to follow his oaths, and means he is full of respect. He used to be a quick temper and eager to get respect. So soldier is full of oath, who has the mustaches or beard like a leopard, and he can do anything for getting the respect in the society. So everyone, in this page William Shakespeare described the four. First is of infant, second is of winning schoolboy, third is of lover, and fourth is of soldier. Even in the cannon's mouth, then in just and fair round belly with a good canop line, followed by saws and modern stands, so he plays his part. So everyone soldiers, even in a cannon's mouth, the poet has used for soldier, like he is ready to fight for any issue. Means if there will be minute issue, then also if that will be wrong, he is ready to fight then. Then everyone, fifth one. Now fifth stage of justice. Justice means everyone here, the person who is full of rule and regulation. Okay. Now in this stage, the person used to have round belly and good canop line. In his eyes severe, means he has a good seriousness in his face. There is a seriousness in his appearance. And he has a very serious eyes, and beard has a French cut, and he is full of wise saw and modern style, means the person who just make judgment keeping the society, who has a knowledge regarding anything, and he is full of intelligence in the part of justice. Means the person who is follow the society rules very lawfully and ready to do anything for showing or getting his intelligence. Okay. So he plays his part as a justice, he plays his part. Okay, now next, the sixth age, shift into a lean and slippered pantaloon with spectacle on nose and pouch on his side. His youthful horse, well shaped, a world too wide, his shank, his big manly voice. Turning again to our childish treble pipe and whistle in his sound. So everyone, what happens here in the sixth stage? Now this person has become old. Okay, so he has a very thin body. Okay, and as he has thin body, so his pants is getting slipped. He has a goggle on his nose. Okay, and pocket in his side. Okay, and his youthfulness, means his young age is reduced now. His manly voice is getting into the, you can say, turning into the childish. As everyone, you would have seen when the person used to go in old age, when the person is in old age, so person just used to be like a child, because there is a changes in his voice, there is a changes in his appearance, in his body appearance. So the Shakespeare described that sixth stage of old person who has got thin body, who has a very slippered pants of him, he has goggles now, there is a pocket in his pants, and his youthfulness is reduced here, and his manly voice are reduced and turned into the child voice. Now everyone, the last scene of all the ends of strange eventful history is second childishness and mere oblivion, sense teeth, sense eyes, sense taste and sense everything. So now everyone, the last stage, that is the seventh stage, the poet has considered this stage as a second childhood, or you can say the poet is saying here there is an end of this history. Okay, when his journey of life is about to end, the person is waiting for death. Okay, you can say this. It is second childhood. Okay, and in this stage everyone, the person got to like this, that he is unaware of everything, he did not know anything. Okay, he has lose his teeth, eyes, taste and everything, means completely unaware of this world. So here everyone, this poem ends. I hope you would have understood this chapter properly. So everyone, this poem, all the world stage, written by William Shakespeare, and in this only poet has told about the how human life has divided into the 7 parts. Thank you everyone.